14 important health benefits of oats that will surprise you. Isn't there anything better than starting your day with a steaming bowl of oatmeal? Its texture is creamy, with a subtle nutty flavor and a hint of sweetness, making oats an exceptional and unassuming superfood. Not only do they provide an energy boost and keep you feeling satisfied, but they can also enhance your workout performance. Oats come highly recommended for various health benefits, including preventing heart disease, regulating blood sugar levels, and enhancing the functioning of the nervous system. However, the wonders of oats don't stop there. They possess intriguing qualities that make them truly unique. In today's video, we will enlighten you with captivating facts about oats that you might not have heard before. Discover their natural beauty-enhancing properties, their ability to combat dandruff, their effectiveness as a natural cleanser, their promotion of antioxidant activity, and their potential in treating hypertension, and much more. Don't miss out, make sure to watch until the end to learn about all these fascinating aspects of oats. Different varieties all have similar nutrition. There is a common misconception that instant oats are somehow inferior to steel-cut oats, which are believed to be the most nutritious option. However, whether you opt for quick oats, old-fashioned oats, or steel-cut oats, they all offer similar nutritional benefits. Each serving provides approximately 4 grams of fiber, 4 to 6 grams of protein, and comparable amounts of vitamins and minerals. It's worth noting that steel-cut oats may require a longer cooking time and could have slightly higher fiber content. The processing of oats ensures that the nutritious bran or germ is not removed, allowing you to enjoy the full benefits of whole grains. Regardless of whether you choose steel-cut or old-fashioned oats, both variations retain the bran and germ. The main distinction lies in the milling process. Steel-cut oats are thinly sliced using steel blades, whereas old-fashioned oats are steamed and rolled to achieve a flatter shape. Since all these options are 100% whole grain and encompass all parts of the oat, you can select the type that suits your preference the most. A bowl for breakfast can keep you full till lunch. Oatmeal is renowned for its beta-glucan content, which is known to stabilize blood sugar levels. By preventing drastic spikes and drops in blood sugar, starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can effectively curb cravings. Additionally, oatmeal has the potential to enhance your workout performance. A study revealed that consuming oatmeal approximately 3 hours prior to exercise contributed to increased endurance. They've been around for centuries. Prior to Quaker products gracing our store shelves and Cheerios becoming a widely beloved oat-based cereal, whole grain oats were consumed by a significant number of individuals throughout ancient history. As far back as 7000 BC, oats were among the earliest cereals cultivated by humans and were consumed in ancient China. It was the Greeks, however, who first transformed oats into a porridge-like dish. They're a natural beauty food. A half cup of oats contains more than 25% of the recommended daily intake of biotin, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy metabolism and digestion. Additionally, biotin contributes to the health of your hair, skin, and nails. Instead of relying on other methods, why not enjoy the natural benefits by incorporating oats into your diet? Alongside oats, almonds and chia seeds are plant-based sources rich in biotin, making them perfect toppings for oatmeal. Moreover, oats are an excellent source of protein, which promotes the formation of collagen in the body. Collagen is responsible for maintaining the softness and suppleness of your skin. Opting for anti-inflammatory sources like oats is a superior choice over inflammatory animal-based products when it comes to caring for your skin. Helps you sleep. Throughout our society, it has been deeply rooted that oatmeal is primarily a breakfast food. However, it is worth noting that oatmeal is a wise choice to consume before bedtime as well. In fact, the Scottish tradition recommends enjoying a bowl of oatmeal in the evening to promote a restful sleep. But why is oatmeal beneficial before bed? The answer lies in the presence of melatonin and complex carbohydrates found in oats. These components facilitate the entry of tryptophan into the brain, aiding in sleep induction. Moreover, oatmeal is rich in various vitamins, including B6, which acts as a cofactor, assisting in the production of serotonin in the brain. Serotonin plays a crucial role in promoting relaxation and sleep. Therefore, oatmeal's composition makes it a favorable choice for a bedtime snack. Treats dandruff. To create your own homemade shampoo, start by gathering 1 cup of oatmeal. Place the oatmeal into a blender and grind it on a medium setting until you achieve a fine powder consistency. Next, combine this ground oatmeal with 2 cups of boiling water in a mixing bowl. Stir thoroughly until the oatmeal is completely dissolved. Allow the mixture to sit for approximately 10 minutes. Afterward, carefully pour the mixture through a sieve into a medium-sized bowl to remove any solids. To this strained mixture, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix well to ensure the ingredients are evenly combined. If you have color-treated hair, you may choose to omit the lemon juice. Lastly, add about 20 drops of your preferred essential oil to the bowl and stir again. For convenient storage, you can transfer the entire mixture into an empty shampoo bottle. When ready to use, dampen your hair with lukewarm water and apply the homemade shampoo to your scalp. Allow it to sit for 2 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This natural shampoo not only cleanses but also helps alleviate an itchy scalp while preventing excessive oiliness and removing dirt. Promotes antioxidant activity. Oatmeal is abundantly rich in exclusive antioxidants that are distinctively found in oats. These antioxidants play a significant role in safeguarding your cells against the harmful effects of free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that your body generates during metabolism and due to exposure to environmental toxins. Since free radicals are unstable, they can elevate your susceptibility to cancer and heart disease. However, the unique antioxidants present in oats have the remarkable ability to counteract inflammation and enhance the production of nitric oxide, which aids in preventing arterial hardening. Furthermore, a study demonstrated that the avenanthramides, a specific type of antioxidant found in oats, exhibited the potential to reduce the proliferation of colon cancer cells. Keeps the bad bugs away. The advantageous fibers present in oats are primarily derived from a particular type of soluble fiber called beta-glucans. These beta-glucans have demonstrated the ability to enhance immune function and fend off harmful bacteria that can lead to illness. Moreover, scientific evidence suggests that the beta-glucans in oats play a role in the prevention of certain types of cancer, particularly breast and colon cancer. This serves as evidence that incorporating oatmeal into a well-rounded, nutritious diet is a fantastic way to naturally support your immune system. For an additional protective boost, consider adding high antioxidant berries as a topping to your oats. It's been the root of a long-running dispute in the UK. In Samuel Johnson's 1755 dictionary, oats were defined as a grain commonly fed to horses in England, but in Scotland, it seems to be the sustenance of the people. The response from a Scotsman was a witty retort, "That's why England possesses such excellent horses, while Scotland boasts such remarkable individuals." It's the inspiration for one of the most popular drugstore brands. Oats, owing to their inherent anti-itch properties, find extensive use in the cosmetic industry across various products. As an example, the widely recognized drugstore brand Aveeno derives its name from the botanical term avena, which specifically refers to oats. Helps lower your rate of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes occurs when there is a decline in insulin function, known as insulin resistance. This condition arises when insulin is unable to efficiently reach the cells due to factors like excessive harmful fat or a diet high in processed foods with refined sugar. However, oats stand out as one of the few whole grains consistently associated with a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The reason behind this lies in their impressive magnesium content, with over 300 milligrams present in oats. Magnesium acts as a superstar nutrient that helps regulate blood sugar levels, offering a natural approach to managing insulin levels. Moreover, oats' significant fiber content contributes to their slow digestion, resulting in a gradual release of insulin into the bloodstream. Consequently, this leads to fewer spikes in blood sugar levels. In addition to their role in blood sugar management, the combination of high magnesium and fiber content in oats is also recommended as a natural remedy for constipation. It's a natural cleanser. Oats contain natural compounds known as saponins, which possess cleansing properties and effectively remove dirt and oil from the pores. It's worth noting that oats do not cause irritation, making them gentle on the skin. One way to utilize oats for cleansing purposes is by preparing oat milk. Simply soak oats in water, and the resulting liquid can be used as a natural cleanser and toner for your face. After washing your face, apply the oat milk using a cotton pad. Another option is to use oat bran for a skin cleansing bath. Take half a cup of rolled oats and enclose them in a cloth, forming a small bag. Submerge this bag in your bathtub and gently press it to release all the milk. This oat-infused bathwater can be used to cleanse both your body and face, providing a mild scrubbing effect and serving as a substitute for traditional soap. Helps treat hypertension. Consuming oats has been discovered to decrease systolic blood pressure by 7 points and diastolic blood pressure by 5 points. This not only aids in blood pressure reduction but also diminishes the risk of heart disease by 22%. When added to the regular diet of individuals with hypertension, oats have shown positive effects. The study concluded that oats, rich in soluble fiber, can serve as an effective dietary approach for preventing and treating hypertension. Additionally, another study suggests that a diet abundant in oats can potentially reduce the need for antihypertensive medications. The presence of beta-glucan in oats also exhibits favorable impacts on carbohydrate metabolism and blood pressure levels, particularly in individuals who are overweight. Furthermore, oatmeal has been demonstrated to lower stress hormone levels and enhance serotonin production, promoting a sense of calmness. Collectively, these factors contribute to maintaining low blood pressure. Can be used to treat poison ivy or chickenpox. Throughout history, oatmeal has been employed as a remedy for alleviating the effects of poison ivy and symptoms associated with chickenpox. To relieve the itchiness caused by these conditions, you can utilize oat flour. Simply place the oat flour inside a cheesecloth, secure it around the bathtub faucet, and intermittently squeeze out water to create a tepid bath. Alternatively, you can directly rub the oat flour pouch on the itchy areas of your skin for relief. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.